In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable receiving gifts on your TikTok account. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok account, get in your profile and check if your account is personal. Cause on business account, I can't using the receiving gifts function. So I open settings and privacy. Select manage account and here tap on switch to personal account option, switch anyway, and now my account switched to personal. Now I can enable receiving gifts feature. For that I go back to my profile page, type on that three lines icon at the top right, here tap on creator tool and there tap on that gifts option. And there I need to enable this to be able to get gifts from my video. I'll toggle that on and now here I can check some requirements. First, I must have at least 100k subscribers. Videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts. My account must be active for at least 30 days and I have to fit age requirements. After that, I will be able to turn on gifts right here on that page. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.